Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. It's been a while, but today we're going to be doing a cat eye 3D look just in time for the Halloween season. So let's just jump into it. First, you want to start out with your white polish. I'm using a Vanillisa white gel, and you're just going to create a circle, and you want to get it as round as possible. But in the end, you're going to use a 3D gel, and that's going to round it out even more for you. But you know, just for the base of the eye, make sure you get it as round as you can. I actually put up the inspiration for this look on the screen. The eyeball, I just thought that it would look good with this photo that I found on Pinterest, but the actual base, like the ombre and the drips, is supposed to be like candle wax. I got it from this picture on Pinterest. I was on there looking for nails that I could do for Halloween, and I didn't want to do like, well, I still want to do the classic, you know, like mummies and stuff, but I wanted to do some nails that I could take inspiration from just random objects I saw on Pinterest. So that's what I did with this set. And like I said, I'll put that inspiration up on the screen. And I didn't want to just do the candle wax nail, so I needed something else to do for like an accent nail. So I did this cat eye thing because one of my favorite like nail artists that I've been watching recently on TikTok, she did a cat eye nail, and I thought it was really cool, and I wanted to recreate it, and I didn't think I would be able to do it. So I just tried it. I practiced it, literally tried it one time, and then I was like, oh, this is cute. So I did another set, and I was like, let me film this so maybe I can help others who want to do the look, because it's really not that hard. You can see me now. Basically, the main products you're going to need is the white gel polish to start out with the eye, and then you're going to need a blooming gel and whatever colors you want to include in the actual eyeball. So I decided to do mine all green, and then you're going to need black for, I don't know, the pupil, I guess. Also, when I was looking up eyes for this, I guess this is more of a alligator eye, because I don't know, I saw an alligator eye on Pinterest, and I was like, oh, this looks like the nail that I just did. I thought it was a cat eye, but maybe not. I don't know. The technique you're going to use for this blooming gel part is making little lines. You want to start from the outer, the outer edge of the eyeball, and just bring those lines inwards, and just do that all around the entire circle. Once you finish, make sure everything is cured, and then you're going to grab your black polish and you're going to start making the actual pupil. I recommend just drawing a line straight through the middle and then kind of rounding the sides. And if it's a little bit crooked or kind of uneven looking, that's even better, because it'll make it look even more realistic instead of making such a perfect like oval shape in the middle. And after you paint the center of the eye, I went over it with some just black dots in different spaces of the eye, just to make it look, you're just trying to make it look realistic, you know what I mean? So paint some black dots, and then I like smudged it a little bit, tapped it with my finger in a few times. Once your eye looks like this, now you can grab whatever 3D gel you want to use. I'm just using the Macart rhinestone gel, and making it thick, making it round as possible. And after this, we're gonna top coat this so that it's not sticky or anything. Or if you don't want to top coat it because it's already too thick, you could just wipe it with acetone. Now at this point, I felt like the nails needed a little something more, and I really wanted to add some gold accents to something, so I did that with this middle nail. And I didn't show myself doing the chrome and everything and the chain, but you will see me in just a second start adding my little, I don't even know what it's called, but it's like this little foil stuff, as you can see. And then I covered that with some more 3D gel, went over it with some black polish and added my chrome. And in the very end of the video, you'll see how it all came out, because I know it'll look kind of crazy while I'm doing it, but it came out really cute.
Take a look out the window. Spirit goes up as the rain falls down. I've been sailing on the wrong course, keeping it together like I did before. Think that I've said this a few times. Even with that, has it ever felt right? I swear that this has happened every moment. Can I just be honest? I was only wondering, and maybe we could take it to a different conversation. Things will get uncomfortable, but only if we make it. I just wanna say that, but you'd rather take it all back. Although you are sunlight, you stay in the shade. I'm dancing in a corner just to get a space, 'cause I wanna believe that. Ooh, I get lost, you go with your day. Slowly get closer, but you're moving away. I know.
Okay, we have made it to the end of the video, and this was my final look. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment or even share the video. And if you do take any inspiration from this look, please tag me on Instagram, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
I still wanted to restart. Give all you're taking my time. Feels like I'm patient.